How to hide add friend request button on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Facebook application. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three lines and go to settings and privacy. Now click on settings. Now scroll down. Now under audience and visibility, click on how people find and contact you. Now next to who can send you friend request, change from everyone to friends of friends. Now when you go back to your profile, tap on three dots and select view as. As you can see, the add friend request button is removed. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe outside for more awesome content. Have one question, one such topic, drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.